when this young man performs, ladies lose their garments.
Everything.
They lose everything
We lose
that they
our
possess.
We mash up.
We are talking about the one and only, the international artist,
Dexta! 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 Daps!
Blessed morning to everybody. I just want to say I feel good tonight. Well, this morning. Me in a good spirit. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that came out. They enjoyed themselves tonight. Joe, you see what you do? Ladies and gentlemen, can you please do me a favor? Can you say Sumfest? Jesus Christ, I feel blessed. They pon a brick, but man I look pon a brick strip. Jah give me shelter over me and do it sink up. Faith move mountain. Oh, showers of blessings rain down. Right when me they pump my life. Showers of blessings rain down. When the well I run dry and ground. Showers of blessings rain down. Keep down poverty and fly past. Showers of blessings rain down. Am I time now? Well, my ladies, them alright out there? Mommy! You know how long me not so, no? Candlelight and red wine, letters on the bed. Baby, keep me loving and me love it when my baby ride it like a thoroughbred. Slow it down and bubble like baby. Baby, your love is like tequila. Voila, mountain there. Sumfest walk one. I'ma call down my little red self. Because I don't know I'm there for the ladies them, and that's why Joe called me, right? Oh my word. Well, they could start it like this. You see me better, miss you. You left a fragrance in my room when you come. You made me fly like a balloon into the sky. Missy me better, miss you. Sumfest, sing it all now. Any man you kid. Any girl I said them into them and just have to you. Me look up the definition of the baddest and now you can take me where you go every eye there. Oh yeah, you look so good, me wish me about 21 now you. Boy can't style you, but him about take one and go. I mean I love you, but me should have to. Boy, me don't know what best have look. You leave a fragrance in my room. You make me fly like a balloon. the show there. Come here, baby. I'm so sorry for... Can you please give it up for my dancer? Shabba, no! She just so wind up herself and get me now. I should know I'm stay. I don't know what I'm down for the ladies down now. Girl, if I could shed you all, sing it out now loud. But now, me I touch you forever and ever. Come and cheat on you. Me can't hear you, but I leave you. Me I touch you forever and ever. Come and cheat on you. Watch this, don't know the ways I think. You're not have a greater seed. Look how you're dealing with me, rough like alligator seed. Them say I'm a little man, I never get a beam. Sumfest, sing it out now. You are the earth thing where you want me to know. Love your tongue, ring me, the one married you. Oh, but now leave you. Come and cheat and you cheat too. You're so beautiful today, baby. Oh, but ladies, it sound better than me tonight. But it sound better than me. You have a good thing now. As it says, you feel down. Remember me, the papa cherry on you. Come skinny down. Whoa, whoa, be fine now. Whoa, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Do yourself enough for cost number the one. Oh, yeah. But now, forever and ever. Cheat, oh, baby. But now if we can touch you forever and ever. Come and cheat. Oh, my word, I love you too. Sing, girl, if I could shed you all like a snake's can hold on. Your tongue sweet. Oh, girl, if I could shed you all like a snake's can hold on. Oh, Sumfest, I can't go on now, no. So hold on, nobody can run the good joke, you know. I jam me a couple of your things and me a fool. Ready again, near this now. You have your times, you have your ways. But I'm going to process up in here, though. Come here, though. Shh, 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 shh. Could make you feel like you want to cry. Girl, we just love on. And act like a Wi-Fi. Your secret's safe, but me a freak in a try on. Me say that's in the fit for me, be sure you are mine. Ladies for, come up here. Whoa, hey, yeah. Skin up, hey, yeah. We put it in like, whoa, whoa. Let me put this up, whoa, no, yeah. Yeah, my people don't be this way, yeah. Y'all never know the beat faster. You want it, I'm on your last word. What she said? Take time to plan for. Yeah, right. You should have watch it, fiesta. Wanna feel good? Down, down, down. Oh yeah. She said I touch your feet so good, feels good. Down, down, down. Oh yeah. Love her so good, you fall like grateful. Down, down, down. She said she want me to sing it. Whoa. Down, down, down. Oh yeah. Rub down her wall, them and tear them down, down. Oh yeah. How we need it down. Just let me do what they call the tea with cream coming up the icicle. No despair, no question. Clean soul, no protection. I love you, baby. Oh yeah. Come up here, mommy. Skin on the tip of me. We put it in like password. Then we put said I should perform for 45 minutes. Well, all of you think me for perform for Jamaica? I don't want to be disobedient, you know. I feel good to them, but not lie. I'ma feel like say Jamaica really deserve a Dexta Daps performance. Well, as always. Because you know what it is to me? The structure, the root of something. That's the most important part of it. And everybody when know Dexta Daps knows so. I hear some of my roots there. Yo, I'ma tell you something. Them say Jamaica, one of the weirdest place on earth. But me still believe say one of the best place on earth. Me can't stop coming here, I don't know what. Maybe I show my neighbor drink cut ya. But me I make sure say me keep my roots. It's what I remember about my life. It's what me know about me. So I don't want to stray from it. So I want to make sure I come good on a beautiful show every time I show my face. I never fucked nobody like her. Best pussy. Never fucked nobody like her. She shine like star. Hey, bestie by far. Never touch nobody like her. All night, speaking on the phone, but cheating. Says she have a man. But ask why. She says she watch you just a act decent. She said it touch so good we can't be friends. The loving of her up in her Sumfest. Look at her need a no replace. Next time we touch me gonna make her say no me shall never touch her no now we know. Me move out and we used to live in a world. No grass. Say she love me, do it hurts her. The touch does feel so. Don't you wanna cry? She loves the size, but Sumfest sing. Her whole body just a triple, so she up like a. We make she fly like a flamingo. We make she dash it. Give me a mix. Just give me one. Now make me ask me just me and your feet there so I touch children train. She said up from you anything goes. Now me have one tonight. Sumfest sing it out one more time. She up like a window. Pretty kitties just a twinkle so. She up like a window. We make she fly like a flamingo. We make she dash it. One more time. We up all night, speaking on the phone, boy. Cheating. Say she have a man. My ask why. She said she watch you just so decent. She said that touch so good we can't be friends. He got her up in her. She up like a window. Up like a window. We make she dash on the window. One more. We up all night, speaking on the phone, boy. Cheating. Say she have a man, but you want leaving. Ask why she leaving. She said she watch you just so decent. She said the book too good we can't be friends. The cocky got her up in her feelings. She up like a window. Sumfest, you don't know what I want to do. I work my God for her. Boy, stop fight with him. Boy, you're too nice to win the ball. 1, 2, 4. All right. You need to left him. accuse if you alone, you don't know more time yet. Whoa, so start winning, make him fight for you like that. Lord and ladies, you're too nice to him, the boy love him belly. No, don't do that, I'll judge your world. Breaking news, man, I kill him. Man, I want you too good. Breaking news, you're looking too good. Oh, breaking news, man, I kill him, girl, I guess I cause I looking too good. Breaking news. Mix. If you's a king, treat her like a queen. Members head on the two and on like a team. Don't be the man, but just can't understand them, the band with her. One like a fiend, fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. Like Tyson, too nice to him, boy love him belly up. Breaking you, cause I'm too good. Breaking you, too breaking you, because I know you too good. Breaking you, pull up. I got a new song I want to try in Sumfest. Please bear with me for a second. I did an album named Trilogy. I have a very important song on this album I want to try. If it's even 10 seconds, please, Sumfest, may I beg you that second here. Show me your true colors. A man girl like you want them just start to fight. Cause the moon is full, more room for trouble. Halos for the heart, purple emoji. Demon time. Oh, proper deep truth wake me up this morning. Couldn't even hold back when my discharging. Just done, oh you must keep traveling. Oh yeah. How it's still a jump, so boy, get around to instantly. How God just start speak Christian? No girl, you broke it differently. Must to cramp up to a wind clamp. Me wrap her up like a big basket. Bone after bone and the big sausage. Oh, Shabba up the coming problem. The flow till it is started. Oh, show me a truth. The moon is full, more room for trouble. Halos for the heart, purple emoji. Shh, show me your true colors. A mad girl I like, you want them, just start a fight. Because the moon is full, more room for trouble. Halos for the heart, purple emoji. Team. Thank you so much, Sumfest. Thank you for letting me release that off of my chest. Thank you so much. And I think that's my time now. I just want to say thank you so much for having me. Until next year. One thing I know, I can't run no joke, do you? Who don't want me to go on my ways? Who don't go like so, I know me from nowhere? Let me see if I don't really know me from nowhere. Ooh, baby, oh God, you looking good, I'ma love it so bad. Ooh, baby, you touch me good, I'ma love it so bad. Ooh, baby, oh God, you touch me good, I'ma love it so bad. Ooh, baby. It sounds like me have some fans here. It sounds like me have some fans here. But it make me feel good out there. That nation out there. Make we try that one and then. We don't know who she get to, but me here say she get to it. And Natalie say, when the Dexta that funds them there, I couldn't take my name fool. But say my arm must believe it. I know my seat say, Sumfest, yeah, time. I'll win your dinner. Believe it. Me never still want your body to be. Me can't hear you. And I'll win them, say 6 man for them. Guess who me? 7. Whoa! Mix me! If you do tell about your fun. We don't know who she get to, but me here say she get to it. And Natalie say, Sumfest all the time now. Good thing when they eat food. Ready now. I'll win your up dinner. Me a Phoebe. I'll win them say 6. Yo, this a fun. Even you tell them what you give me to, I guess that the fun I be find out with you give me to. No fun in the top, be climb up on the pinnacle. If the sun be real, I really tell them off it. Damn. When, I know where you're at. When, if I watch a chat, another thing in the to me coming up. Oh, cause I'll win your up. She get to and Natalie say, one more time now. Don't take my name fool. I say my arm must believe it. No one see it say Natalie did that. So I'll win your fucked in. Man, I'll be there. Yes, I will. Look who I'm say who know me from long time. I'm gonna see nobody really a sing, you know. I want that for the know what I want. Sumfest, ready again. Never even cross my mind is a girl this one. What the Dexta does for them? Hey, pull up head where you are crying out. Remember your life where you don't feel like about. The line the too deep can't climb out. Do all you know you feel very fine, oh. Say you're better than the better when you point out. You see if you really know me, put on the big finger. My heart now rock you. Because you fuck up on me too. Yo. My heart now rock you. Because you fuck up on me too. You fuck on me too. When time I don't see more than know, so I put me there for nothing. Friends for real, we love all, yeah. But some of them know, some of the man them the loyal. So we got the real people them out there. Sumfest, no. Remember I me, Billy Ho. Broke down, oh. I know you're hype to you. We don't live with nigga uptown. But just wait till me up down, see how I look down. You're quite close till your boss. Hey, 1, 3. Give me a mix now. Me say me now say you love the move on, but no move on because you do right. I know you people do, but I'm a couple of can't stick to one something too long. Can you know say you're too jealous? One like say you can't burn. Well, since you always right. Remember, I know you're anxious. We a little nigga up. But just wait till me up. You're going close till your bones. Hey, one more time again now. Friends for real will love fuck, yeah. But some of them lie. We have like 10 minutes left. What am I for do? I still want 5 minutes, Joe. I beg you. I'm not ready to stop. Sumfest this, you know, long. I'm not come to Jamaica and I'm mobile come perform. The last time was Sumfest. I'm going to start so. I have a confession to make. My name is Dexta Daps, and I'm African. British girl them me just like touch. Trinidad girl them boom boom tight up. Jamaican girl them we touch and cut. Man if you broke then your cap now broke. Prissy are pricing up. Girl, you make me feel like love. Say she want it to me like job, and she want give it to me like love. Watch this. Girl, me love your style and your wicked and your boss, and me love it when your wife up. Make you scream out type of me. Oh, your wife so properly. Steady for the while, let me just fish you ride and a cry. Watch the part of Sumfest, my favorite part. You know, and she a pull up. You see all the love foolishness too. You see all the love foolishness. Confession, I am not African, but I love everything about the African culture. So if I have fun, no. Don't you have fun? You know, look so. Listen. Please beg you this moment. Please, Sumfest, please, may I beg you. This moment is serious to me. Sometimes I forget the real people, them glory and give them flowers. You have some youth, but we not even get to know them in a real life. We hear them work and not even know so them put out the work there. And you see tonight, me I call up the youth because guess what? Me know say you don't know the song, but I'm not sure if you don't know so him sing it. So you see tonight in a Sumfest or this morning in a Sumfest, me I make sure someone bring him out and make him come sing him song. Say youth, sing your song!
Hey, yo, we're burning up, hey, we're burning.
Sumfest!
Hey, it's a holiday, yeah. Pull it for me.
Go on, youth!
Sumfest, walk. My name is Choir, you know me as Shabba, see? Now if you know that song, it no matter if you know my voice or if you know my name or whatever. Sing it loud for me now. Hey, it's a holiday. Penalty, and it's a victory when we make it to the finale. Bright skies, that's a my kind of day. All of my troubles are a million miles away. Bye, every bad energy. Melody for me, gonna marry right now the morning. Cool me down, yeah. Me drink a jelly for my system. Cool me down, yeah. Love all the water glisten from the sunshine. We are listening reggae music, we like a cup of coffee in the morning. Cool. Melody for me, sing it for me. Hey, it's a holiday, yeah. Hey, it's a sunny day, yeah. Hey, it's a holiday.
Sumfest, sing it out to
yeah. Hey, it's a sunny day, yeah. Tonight, I just wanna be high.
Pull up. Sumfest, we can't hide talent. Please, may I beg you give him one more song. I want him sing one of your favorite songs. Listen to the youth, your voice.
Can I borrow this, bro? I'll borrow this quick. Good night, Sumfest. My name is Choir, Q-Y-O-R, see? Listening, zoning. Denny. Something's got a hold of me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are closing in and the devil's knocking at my door. Out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at sleeping alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. I'm trying my best to keep from ripping the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to you? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see?
For choir!
Give thanks, Sumfest.
Then all we find them talent there. One thing with Sumfest crowd, and I go enjoy myself. And that me like. You see with that, we don't want to overdo it. But you have a youth who want to say something to the microphone. You should have black man there. Black man there anywhere near? Because you see that youth here was the youth I'm first bring forward to the world. I'm going to tell myself, say, listen to me. That youth are too talented for and don't hear voice. I'm going to make myself, I promise me, I make sure say that youth here see the glory where they deserve. And no matter when it is, I feel like it's the right time to hear a song like this. I see the much as how we enjoy ourselves, all our miss a loved one. And this one is dedicated for anybody where you miss and they really love in a real life. Me I talk about real love. I have some people who I follow them and follow people thing. I follow them and follow a friend. The people that really miss somebody. You know Sumfest, I hear what this. We're black man. I miss you so much, something. I missed you so much. I said I missed you so much. Mama started. Remember when the room. Never know said a 45 they would have blast off. Me have to keep my clocks off. Hear some man a talk tough and some a talk soft. Oh, Sumfest, watch this. Them turn your light off just like a light switch. Make me have to get a big slip and light it. Which me could have seen coming like a psychic. Some virgin in the air with a nice cheek. Straight nine man that push the ice break. And it did long like a light stick. Me say me wish you could have sight it, dog. Sumfest sing it out for you God. Oh yeah, that day of my born. Me say you may really born. Oh, I miss you so. Jamaica, guess what? Oh Lord, I missed you so much. Cha-cha is a powerful song. I could have made the night pass and not sing it. Big up yourself, black man, anywhere you're there. I wish you was here. Are you ready now? Oh! Seban, 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 Say bad, 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 bad. Boom, boom, clot. Cut you out from in another land. With the rubber stick like a lip. Say pull. Oi! Yo, let me tell you this. I just say about this start, you know. Where Bobby a killer them there. Oi! Say bad, say bad, say bad, say bad, say bad, say bad. Cutting one from in another land. With the rubber stick like alligator pan. The ski back to the way and the weatherman. Oh, yeah. Long time enough. So we circle them in. Sumfest! Go with the rubber.
Ski man like Shabba, Madda.
Shot for ya.
Every man up that.
Sing like the winds of the Canada. We're here more than that.
Shot fire, every man up that.
Sumfest! Ready? We madder than.
Everything we're bad.
We madder than.